This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to authenticate on GitHub. Ensuring that your GitHub account is securely accessed is crucial, whether you're a developer, a student, or simply someone using GitHub to host projects. Let's break down the authentication process so you can log in safely and efficiently every time. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to github.com. If this is your first time visiting GitHub today, you'll find the well-known interface prompting you to sign in. You'll want to sign in using your GitHub username or email address along with your password. Make sure you have this information handy before you proceed. Enter your details in their respective fields. If you're like many of us who have multiple accounts or need to remember complex passwords, you might be using a password manager to keep everything organized. If so, this is a great time to put that tool to use to ensure accuracy and speed. Now, moving on to security, GitHub might prompt you for an additional verification step if you've set up two-factor authentication or passkeys previously. This additional layer of security is designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. If you've opted for two-factor authentication, you'll receive a code via your chosen method, which could be a text message, an authentication app, or even an email. Make sure you have access to this device or method. Enter the code when prompted, and remember, this code is time-sensitive, so it's important to act quickly. Alternatively, if you've set up passkeys, you'll follow the instructions specific to your device to authenticate. Typically, this involves biometric authentication, such as a fingerprint or facial recognition, or it might require entering a PIN. Passkeys are a modern and secure way to authenticate, providing both ease of use and enhanced security. It's worth getting familiar with this method if you haven't already, as it can simplify your login process significantly in the long run. Once you've successfully completed the two-factor authentication or passkey verification, you'll be logged into your GitHub account. You're now ready to start working on your repositories, collaborate with others, or explore new projects. Remember, keeping your authentication methods up to date and secure is vital in protecting your information and your projects. In conclusion, authenticating on GitHub is a straightforward process that's made even more secure with the use of two-factor authentication or passkeys. By taking these additional security steps, you're ensuring that your account remains safe from potential threats. If you haven't already set up these security measures, consider doing so to enhance your account protection. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.